everyone, it's Holly here, and I'm back again this week with a styling video for you. I have a bit of a styling series going on here where I share favorite types of pieces for the season. I'm going to be sharing my favorite boots and shoes of the season, some essentials that I feel everyone needs in their wardrobe, and some styling tips and outfit ideas around the shoes, so you kind of get that all in one video. Don't forget to subscribe to me here. I post every single week with brand new beauty style videos, and don't forget to head over to Instagram, follow me at the same handle as well. I post all the time over there. Fall winter is a big time for shoes. I know it can be daunting and expensive because we're buying boots, we're buying leather. That's expensive. I mean, the summer can be expensive because heels are, but they're generally less expensive. They're less of an investment. We want to invest in quality shoes that we can use year after year or season, a couple seasons anyways, and then maybe donate them or give them to someone in need because they're high quality and still great if you're someone who likes to switch out current styles like I do. I always want to switch up what I'm wearing. So I want to do another video series on sneakers because I feel like sneakers are their whole category on their own for shoes. I love wearing sneakers for many reasons, but I feel like that's another little educational video. So I will create that one in the weeks to come for essential sneakers that I think you need. But today I'm going to be focusing on boots, leather, shoes, a heeled shoe. So even though we're in winter, I feel very strongly about this recommendation. I really believe you need boots and shoes for the fall, winter, holiday season because you just can't get away with one or the other. You definitely need both. Sometimes for a look you need a boot. Shoes, just it looks wrong having that much foot show, but then sometimes you have a gorgeous outfit and a boot is just overkill and you want to elongate the leg, you want to see some of this. So I really think you need both. You probably need one or two pairs of heels, and I would say 2 or 3 boots. Get one in black and then one in a more festive or exciting color. Sure, don't get stuck in the black on black rut. It's like a cranberry, deep cranberry kind of color. It looks a little lighter on camera with the flash. In person, it looks a little deeper and wine-ish. It's almost like a little bit of a neutral. Slingbacks are in, they were in the summer, they still are. This is a little bit bigger of a heel. This is by the brand Naturalizer, so they are like the most comfortable shoe in the entire universe. They're leather, which again, I recommend. This other thing about these are like the fun heels I'm suggesting. This is like the most current. I was describing this to my mom the other day. This is the most current toe for a shoe right now. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's higher up so you don't see like the toe cleavage. I don't know if there's a better word for that, name for that. So it's just higher and a little bit circled. It almost looks a little more classic and old school kind of vibe, but it's a stunning cut. And Naturalizer, I'm gonna be wearing their boots all winter because I hurt my foot. The end of this year, I broke it. I have a healing journey that way, but I obviously still want to do my outfits and wear my heels like always, but I have to just opt for a little more comfortable ones. I was wearing comfortable ones to begin with, but now it's just like a major priority. I paired it with a dark pair of vintage Levi's. I feel like the dark and that color just go so well together. Again, it's just a nice little spin on a neutral. And these are vintage 501s, and they're from a Vintage Fit Monday body top. I really like the warmth of this brown with the shoe. A more casual look, I would say, but again, having the quality pieces like a leather bag and a shoe like this in a fun color just adds that personal style, takes your personal style just up a notch, that look up a notch, and just makes you stand out that much more and feel like yourself, like your own personal style. Suede boots are in this year. So suede for some reason is like the fabric of the year. Bags, shoes, everything kind of goes along with it. I would say this kind of chocolatey brown color is the color you want, and that is kind of what is the most current. I chose to get these short booties with a pointed toe. I feel like everyone needs a booty. This pair is from Chinese Laundry. Kitten heels are still in this year. I definitely have to wear smaller heels this year because I hurt my foot. This toe is in, the pointed toe. I'll show you an outfit styled, some styling tips to wear with a bootie like this. A slight modification from the last one. So I switched my boots out into the last one. I'm talking about the suede booties, which are just very easy to put on, kind of give you a fancier look. The suede kind of makes it not a little country-ish, but it makes it a little more casual. The fabric from the kind of sleek leather. Kept these same vintage jeans on and my shirt, this jacket, and my Louis Vuitton bag. So you can see just how switching things up, playing with jackets, shoes, and accessories, bags, really makes a look, and you can just tailor it to your own style. But having the shoes, like I mentioned, gives you the ability to kind of pull it together and make it a look and make it unique to you. But I love playing with shapes. So this is a small shape. I think that just adds so much to this look when you play with shapes and sizes, and makes you stand out, highlights your own personal style by doing that. I believe we also need a flat in our roundup. So this was a challenge to settle on. Let me tell you how many shoes I ordered and returned to finally settle on these. I think everyone needs a flat. Right now where I am, there's no snow on the ground, so I for sure would wear this with some jeans. You can also wear a little bit of a nylon so your foot doesn't get cold. But if I'm wearing a fancier outfit and I don't want to wear sneakers, I would wear a flat like this next. Sometimes I wear sneakers for most things when I want to wear flats with an outfit during the day. But if sometimes I want just something a little different to look a little more feminine tailored, I ordered a pair. Loafers are another one, which are stunning and classy. I thought it would fit into my personal style so well, but it looked good with nothing I had. So those three types of shoes would fit in this category, but the loafers aren't for me. Ballet flats are really cute and great for like with a baggy jean and a casual outfit. My personal style, something a little more tailored just suits me a little bit more. Almond toe, which is the closest thing to a pointed toe. And then also this part of the foot is very flattering. It kind of gives your foot some shape. I got this gorgeous brown color, just a little bit different than black. Black flats, and then like, look how light my natural skin color is. It's very light. And then whatever I'm wearing, there's just so much contrast going on. And I don't exactly love a contrasted style look. I think it's nicer to have things blend, and it's just easier on the eye and looks put together and smooth, and it just ends up looking good. That's one thing I've also learned along this journey. So this type of brown is just a little bit more, a little closer to my skin tone if I put some self-tanner on. It blends with like jeans and darker jeans just a little bit better. Real leather, really important for flats because sometimes they can be so uncomfortable. I'll show you these in an outfit as well. Half classy fancy with half street style. I just feel like that's my personal style, and I love people that have that as well. I know like Victoria Beckham kind of does that. There's a few people that do it that have been inspiration for me, but it's my favorite way to pull together an outfit. I always keep that in mind. So my Jacquemus bag in a beautiful brown, just like a lot of these items, it matches my shoes and top obviously so well, and I have gold accessories with it, which looks amazing with a warm tone brown like this. I see how the shoe and the foot just looks very flattering. Black heel. So again, I really 100% know that everyone needs a black heel. So pointed toe, we gotta go pointed toe or almond toe. They're just the most flattering. With like a soft pointed toe like this one, this looks really classy and expensive. I really like when there's just a slight difference in toe. L'interval, Canadian brand out of Montreal. I searched high and low for the perfect pair of black pumps, and these are them, so you're welcome. But I wanted to invest in a pair that I love and can wear over and over again. I wanted to get the perfect size heel. Realistically, I'm not gonna wear this giant heel all the time, and most people can't walk in heels like that, so I feel like that ruins an outfit and a vibe when you're walking like Bambi. Like, you could be the most gorgeous person on the planet, have the greatest style, but you're walking weird, and then it throws off your whole vibe. And that's my unsolicited advice about heel height. Wear what you can walk in. That's a good explanation. You're not wearing a heel, which is amazing, because then we can walk just with our strut, attitude, and just be that girl, because that's what we want. Look how amazing and classy and beautiful they are. Love the toe, just a nice little different play on pointed toe. It almost makes them just a little more casual, I want to say, but also kind of just extra chic. I love the classic leather because they go with my faux leather pants so much, so it's like the same texture thing. It elongates the leg. There's not a lot of contrast, and it just ends up soothing the eyes and making a look good. That's kind of what I've learned, so sticking to something that just flows with the eye I think is so important. And then I have my black Prada bag from a brand, Staple & Hue, which is kind of a lesser known brand, but it's such a chic, gorgeous brand for essentials. I'll leave a link for this down below. Chocolate brown is the color of the season, in my opinion. I have a black pair as well that's basically identical to this, bought it from somewhere else. This is my year of trying to step aside from black a little bit. If you get anything from this video, just stay away from buying all black things. And I'm a black clothing shoe lover, but this is something I've discovered as I've been researching, kind of curating personal style. It's an important place to kind of start thinking, what do I like? What colors do I like? What looks good on my skin tone? How do I want to show up in the world? I'm gonna stay away from black a little bit because everyone does that. And it is sometimes really nice. You're just not in the mood. For like every special occasion outfit, we can do better. These are another gorgeous shoe from Naturalizer. Again, with my whole foot situation. We're doing comfort, but comfort is huge because I find we don't wear anything if we're not comfortable and feel like ourselves. Look at this sharp heel. When I saw this, I was like, I need those. Sharp heel, but I like that it has a kind of wide footbed, so it's not going to kill your foot that much. That's important to look for. Slight kind of upward shape to it. There's so many ways to style this. I personally suggest a brown color like this, but my main suggestion is to get a pointed toe kitten heel leather boot, natural leather. You can do suede, but I think that's an advanced move. I would stick with regular leather. This outfit I actually really like, but I love the toe of these boots. Sharp, pointed, but they're so low and actually hits really nice on them. This is styled a little bit fancier with a full-length boot under a pant. Definitely don't go over the pant. That's not a look we do. I love monochromatic look. I have 2 shades of brown, then a little bit different of a brown, and then a beige. Such a great, comfortable boot that's also chic. That is my video on fall winter shoes that I think you need. Don't forget to like my video down below and follow me at holl_ward. I post every single week here on YouTube. And I will leave links for all of these shoes and boots down below. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at the same handle over there as well. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.